This video tutorial I will explain parallel sort method of arrays class which accept double array. The sorting algorithm is a parallel sort merge that breaks the array into subarrays, and that subarrays themselves sorted and then merged. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the double array. Then I am calling parallel sort method of arrays class and passing double array. This method sort the double array content into ascending order. Here you can see the output, and the elements are arranged in ascending order. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.